Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are reviewing Jaclyn Cosmetics and her new collection. If you guys want to see what I think about these products, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. Quick little public service announcement. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe that this community is growing so fast, and I'm really excited and so happy that this is such a positive space for us to talk about makeup and life in general, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the projects that I have in store for you guys and just some new updated and revamped stuff for the channel. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this new season within the channel, and I can't wait to share it with you. Alright, I won't hold you from the review any longer. Let's get on into it. Today's video, we are reviewing Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. I have literally been wanting to do this review for so long. I genuinely love Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. I really love their products. They were the first brand to ever put me on their website, and I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then we can go ahead and get into this review and actually test the product. So first things first is I got the Jaclyn highlighter, and this is in the shade Iced. Then I got the bronze and blushing duo, and this is in Sun-Kissed and Bronze Moment. They were out of a few, so I'm hoping that this is like a good shade match and stuff, but we'll make it work. And then I also got the under eye powder and Brightening Light Banana. And then I also got a lip liner in the shade Cupcake, and I got a liquid lipstick in the shade Outspoken. So those are the products that I got. I didn't go super hard because I did want to make sure, you know, that I was loving stuff before I went and got multiples of the same product. I literally only glanced at shades really of stuff because I wanted to actually be able to do a full review. So I had no idea that this was just an eye powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because my concealer is doing its work. So this is the under eye powder. Bake and brighten the delicate under eye area with this color neutralizing powder. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And it says that there's 0.21 fluid ounces, so 6 grams in here. And then there's that little tab. Oh my gosh, I hope I can open this. We're getting somewhere. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. It smells like Pam. In the best way possible. I love the smell of Pam. Next, let's get into the highlighter, and this says this super creamy highlighter gives you light with every swipe, and this is in the shade Iced. Ooh, I really love her packaging. It kind of reminds me of Patrick Ta's packaging a little. Here's the comparison. Here's Patrick Ta, this is Jaclyn. Okay, so this is what the highlighter looks like. Very pretty, and then it comes with a mirror, which is really nice. So you can bring this with you in a purse or in your bag. Okay, next let's do the bronze and blushing duo. Build a flawlessly blended sun-kissed bronze look with these blurring bronzer and blush shades. And this is Sun-Kissed and Bronze Moment. Different colors for it all. So this is the blush and bronze palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very clean and sophisticated, which I really like. This has 0.14 ounces in it. Okay, so now let's open up the lipstick, and again, this is in the shade Outspoken. Long wearing luxe matte color that stays put on your pout. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. Very pretty, very sleek. Okay, and then this is her lip liner in the shade Cupcake. Line and define your perfect pout with this super creamy high pigmented pencil. I like that it has a strong cap. I'd rather have to put up a fight with getting the cap off than have a really loose cap, which I feel like is an issue with a lot of my lip liners. My caps are really loose, so they fall off. So I have a bunch of liners in there that just like don't have a cap, which is really gross. But I always have to fish through all my lip products to find the caps to put back on them. So I like that this one's a little stronger hold. Okay, so that's all the products. So I say let's get on into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eye powder just so I can set this. This is in the shade Brightening Light Banana. I do have yellow undertones in my skin, so this is gonna be hopefully a good match for my skin. So I put some on my Morphe Y11 brush. Oh wow, you can definitely see the difference. This looks way more youthful, smooth. It looks very soft and fluid, whereas this side you can kind of see my lines. It's not as bright, it's not as lifted. Here you can really see that smooth. It looks very effortless. That is like a noticeable difference to me. So literally, if you are someone who has darker under eyes, has issues with your under eyes, or just want to cover them up more, that's definitely a product that I would look to get. I just don't look like I am tired, which love that. Let's get into the blush and bronzer. I'm going to use a brush, and the bronzer is in the shade Bronze Moment. So the bronzer is on. I really like it. I feel like it just has this really nice lay over top. I'm really excited to try this with cream bronzer and cream products because I feel like because it has such a nice lay, it's gonna lay really effortlessly over top of those. I tried a little bit of nose contour with it too, and it did really well with that. It's not like overpowering of a product, which I was kind of worried about because I feel like I got a shade, like the palettes, I feel like I got a few shades darker than like I would get if they had it in stock, but it actually worked out really well. And I feel like the bronzer is what I was worried about being possibly too dark for my skin, but I actually don't feel that way. Once I put my brows on and my mascara on, I feel like it's actually like the perfect shade match for my skin, so I'm really happy about that. And I definitely feel like this is a product that you can go a little bit darker skin tone, a little bit lighter skin tone, and you'll still be okay. So it's not a super like your skin tone needs to match this. It's more just about the combination of the blush and the bronzer together. I feel like I really like it. I feel like it has a really nice lay. It blends it out super easy and super smooth, so I'm pretty hyped about that. Okay, let's get into the blush, and the blush is in the shade Sunkissed. And I'm gonna use my Jaclyn J01 brush. This is a highlighter brush, but this is literally my favorite blush brush. So let's go ahead. This is in the shade Sunkissed. It has a little bit of shine to it, I've noticed, which I'm not mad because some of my blushes have shine and I actually kind of like it. Cute. Time for highlight. This one is in the shade Iced. Wait, do I already have this highlighter? I'm gonna cry if I do. Okay, so I already have this highlighter. I'm pretty sure Iced is literally just the separated. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Iced is this one. In the pan it literally says Iced and Iced. But that just shows how much I liked it because I do really like that shade. But this is nice because now I don't have to bring like a huge palette if I just want to take one product, because I do travel a bit, so it's nice that I have options. Okay, I dulled it down a little bit because I haven't really been wearing highlight the last few days, and then to smack on a Jaclyn highlight, I'm a little blinded right now. Okay, I feel like the formula in this one is better. Honestly, I feel like there's a little bit of a switch in the formula. It was so smooth, it feels a lot more like a finer powder in my opinion versus the other one, and I don't know if it's just from use from the other one that it feels like that, but this just feels, I guess, really fresh. It does feel like a different formula, I would say. I feel like it's definitely a better formula, and I like it. I don't know if it's different. I can't really verify that with you, but you know, I really liked it. I think the thing that I like about her highlighters is you can take a really small amount and just have it be this really nice and elegant and subtle glow, or you can go as hard as you want and have it be a super blinding highlight. Look at the glow. It's probably gonna be beautiful in the sunlight when I walk to class. Just saying. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my mascara off camera, and then we will head into the lips and finish up this review, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did my eyebrows and my mascara, and it's time to finish up the look with the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lip liner, and this is in the shade Cupcake. Are you ready? Okay, I really liked that lip liner. I felt like it was very creamy. I like the pigment, and I actually love the shade. Like, I feel like the shade is low-key bringing out the blue in my eyes, so perfect. Okay, now we're dipping into Outspoken. Oh wow, that went out really smooth. That is such a pretty shade. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry a bit. Okay, I am going to set my face and get ready for the day, and then come back and I will give you guys my official Jaclyn Cosmetics review. I'm back. Let's get on into this review and give you my individual thoughts on each of the products. So this is the Brightening Light Banana. This is the eye powder that I use. I actually love this. This is literally like an 11 out of 10 for me. If you have darker under eyes, or you worry about your under eyes and stuff like that, this is literally a holy grail product. This is amazing. It made an amazing difference, and I really hope you can see it in the video as much as I could see it in person, at how much of a difference that it made for brightening my under eyes and making me look more awake and functional, and it just didn't make me look as tired. So And I still see that right now. So I really like that, and this is a really good product. Literally 11 out of 10. This can definitely become a must-have product if those are some problems that you are looking to fix within your makeup routine. Up next is the bronzer and blush duo. First of all, I just like love the packaging. Like, I just feel like it is super chic, very classy and elegant, and I really love her packaging. I think she did a phenomenal job on the packaging, first of all. Next, I really like how there's a mirror, and I always have loved the way that her pans have been done. Is this one made in Italy too? Made in Italy. Yes. So her old palettes were made in Italy, and these are also made in Italy. This one's made in the USA, and this one's made in Italy. Where's the lip liners made? The lip liner was made in Germany. It's kind of fun. The lipstick was made in the USA. Okay, so I really like that there's kind of a range, but I love these pans. The fact that they're made in Italy, like, it reminded me of her other palettes. So that's why I was like, is this made in Italy too? Because I love these. Okay, the next thing is the highlighter. So I didn't know that I already had this one, and that's totally fine because it came in her old big palette. So this is one of the shades is from one of these, which I like that she did them separately, because if I just want to travel with this little one, I can, and I don't have to bring the huge 4-pan palette. I will say though that I do think that the formula is a little bit different. I don't know if that's true or not, or if that's just me, but I do feel like it's a bit different, and for the better. I feel like it's a little bit finer. I feel like it's just really, really gorgeous and has that, oh, just such a nice glow. The lip liner. I really like the lip liner. I thought it was creamy. I thought it was really easy to use. Next up is the lipstick. My lips feel really good right now. I don't feel dry at all. I don't feel sticky. Like, I just feel really comfortable on my lips right now, which is really nice. I do love the tone and the pigment of this lipstick, and I definitely feel like these are lipsticks where especially the lip liner, I feel like I will definitely be looking at other shades within the lip liner to build my collection with this formula, because I really, really love it. I wish though, because while I was looking at the shades, she did only have like a super, super pink shade, which I didn't get, and then there was this one, which was a little bit of a lighter pinky vibe, and I did get that one, but there was darker browns and then like more like skin tone ones, and I'm excited to see for when she can extend her range. I did get one of the Valentine's surprise boxes with the lips, and there was a lot of red shades in there, and they were phenomenal. I have them, but for people who don't, I do kind of wait and hope that she will expand it and add those to the collection, because they were really, really gorgeous reds, and I'm really excited to see kind of where the lips expand, because Jaclyn has amazing lips, and I feel like every time she does her lips, everyone's like, girl, what lip color are you wearing? Like, give us a tea on it, because she always has the best way of showcasing them because she has such amazing lips. So I'm excited to see where this goes, and hopefully she expands her lip shades and lip liner shades a lot, because they're really good. I had a feeling everything in this collection was going to be really good, because Jaclyn usually has really, really good products. She showed us that with Morphe. Every brand and every new thing has its bumps in the road, and I think she bypassed them amazingly and handled it really well. So I'm really excited to see where Jaclyn Cosmetics goes and the new stuff that comes in the future, because if it is anything like these products, like, I'm really excited to see what else we're gonna get, because these were amazing, and I'm just really hyped about it, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.